How to get off Instacart waitlist. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and on today's video I'm going to show you how you can get off Instacart waitlist. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you have to go to instacart.com. So open up the Google Chrome and on the search URL type in instacart.com. Then you land on such type of interface. Now scroll all the way down till you find shopper help. Once you see that, tap on shopper help. Now again tap on contact. Here go to customer support and tap on get support and fill in the required information and wait until they hears you back and will help you to get off the Instacart waitlist, or you can also simply ask them to change your location or your area, which will help you to get off Instacart waitlist. That's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.